This is the green heron that I referred to yesterday that the coyote spooked and it flew over to the turtle line. Same pond, could be the same heron, but maybe a different one. There are 4 there. Dragonflies have the peculiar habit of sitting someplace, flying off, and coming back. If it's a rock, they land on top of the same rock. If it's a branch, they land on the same branch. So you get to watch this one do its thing, taking off and landing, and then you'll get to watch another dragonfly do the same thing on a branch. And it's always very interesting. Three turtles trying to figure out how to all stay on one rock to sit in the sun on a coolish day. Three other turtles sunning. This turtle spends a lot of time in this part of the pond. I think it's just eating vegetation. It just sure looks like it anyways. And we finish off the day with a turkey hanging out in the shade.